Hello everyone, welcome back to Madhyan Kin. So today we'll be learning about surface area and volume, the first part of surface area and volume. So we'll discuss about surface area of different shapes. So first is cube. Our first shape is cube. So cube looks something like this. It has 6 faces. Face number 1, the back face, 2 side faces, a top, bottom face. So we have a bottom and a top, 2 side faces, and 1 back, 1 front. So we get 6 faces in total. Correct? Now let's make a cleaner diagram. So we have something like this. So let one side of the square be A. So this side will also be A, and this would also be A. Why this? We can see that if we take A as this, then this side is a square. If this is a square, because all faces of a cube are square, so this is a square, so all 4 of these are A. This is the bottom face is also square, so all of these are A. This side face is also square, so all of these sides would be of equal length, which would be A. So now in surface area, we have two main things in every face, which is total surface area, T for total surface area, and curved surface area. So there is no curvature in a cube. So instead of curved surface area, we have lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means walls. What are walls? All the sides. So these two, and so meaning the 2 side faces. Let's take your room for example. So in your rooms, except the ceiling and the floor, all the 4 sides, that is lateral surface area. So first we will determine the total surface area. So let's take one side, one face of the cube. This is A. What is its area? A square. Its area is A square. We have 6 faces, so total surface area becomes 6A square. Now lateral surface area, we have 4 of these. We have 4 walls, so lateral surface area is 4A square. So that is the surface area of cube. Now we have volume. Volume refers to all the space, the amount of space present inside the cube. So we will take something similar. We have A square, correct? We have A square. So we do have this side, this entire side done. The bottom face is done. Correct? We do have the bottom face. So now bottom face is done. So we took A square. So this was A square. This was A square. Now there are, of this area, let this be 1 unit. This be 1 unit. This is 1 unit. And this is A unit. This is A unit. So what we are saying that we took the area of the bottom face. Let the bottom face thickness be 1. So you take piece of paper. Take a piece of paper in size of a square. Take a piece of paper in size of a square. You took a piece of paper. So its thickness is 1 unit. Its thickness is 1 unit, not its side. The side remains A. That is why its area is A square. The thickness is 1 unit, and there are A such unit in height. So we multiply this A square by A. So we get A square into A. So if we multiply this thin layer of paper into A, we will get as many paper as the unit, A units. Correct? So we will get a cube. You could also try this. Take a thin piece of paper of a small scale, let it be 5 centimeters. So we would get 25 centimeter as its base. 25 centimeters as its base. So the thickness of a paper is like point something millimeters. So you will notice when you multiply this thing by 5, you will get 125 centimeters. This will be the volume of the cube. Similarly, the volume of a cube would be A cube. Why would it be A cube? Because A square into A is equal to A cube. So this was cube done. The total surface area, lateral surface area, and the volume of the cube.